My name is Sharan. I am from 8th class. I prepared simple electric circuit. Materials required: battery, wire, LED light, metal pins and different items. First, connect negative terminal and positive terminal to the battery and connect wires to the LED and connect to the metal pins. Now we are connecting the pin to the two metal pins. The LED bulb glows because it is safety pin is a good conductor of electricity. That's why the light is glowing. Instead of safety pin, we are using chalk. When we place does the electric bulb glows? No, because it is bad conductor of electricity. Instead of chalk, now we are using graphite. When we placed graphite, the electric bulb glows because it is good conductor of electricity. The graphene passes the electricity. Now to this we got it to know that when the materials which passes the electricity, that known as good conductor of electricity. The materials which not passes the electricity is known as bad conductors.
Everyone, this is the University of Classes. Today we are going to explain simple electric circuit. To prepare simple electric circuit, the materials required are battery, copper wires, LED and cardboard to support the materials. First of all, take the copper wires and connect to the battery, which consists of positive terminal and negative terminal. To test the LED, we need different types of material. First of all, we'll take lid and we'll keep it between the wires. The bulb glows. It means lid is a good conductor of electricity because it is allowing the correct current to the LED bulb. Next, chalk. We'll keep the chalk between the electric wires. It is not glowing bulb because it is a bad conductor of electricity because it is not allowing the current to let the bulb.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Saish. I am from 8th class. Today I am explaining on reflection of light by plane surfaces. First, what is reflection? Reflection is bouncing back of light by plane surface is known as reflection. When the light gets reflected, the incident ray and the reflected ray are at the same surface, means angle I is equal to angle R. The incident ray, the normal ray and the reflected ray are at the same plane. Thank you.
My name is Vedant. I am from classes. Today's my topic is reflection of light by a plane surface. The bouncing back of light from a plane surface is called reflection. The incident ray and the reflected ray are in the same angle. Therefore, angle I is equals to angle R. The reflected ray, the incident ray, the normal and the reflected ray lie in the same plane. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Answeta. I am from 8th class. Today I am saying about reflection of light by plane surface. This is the plane surface, this is the incident ray, this is the reflected ray. The bouncing back of a light forms on a surface is called reflection. When the lights get reflected, the angle of reflected ray is equal to the angle of incident ray. The incident ray, the normal ray and the reflected ray are at the same plane of a surface. Thank you.
Good afternoon to respected principals, sir, teachers and my dear friends. I am going to explain about reflection of light by plane surfaces. This is reflected ray and plane surface incident ray. The bouncing of light is a surface is known as reflected ray. When the surfaces is reflected ray in the are equal to the incident ray, and the normal ray and the reflected ray are in the same lie in the same surface. Thank you.
I am studying in 8th class. Today I am telling a reflection of light by plane surface. Reflection, bouncing back of light by plane surface is called as reflection. When the light reflection, the angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incident and angle of reflection and angle of normal is at the same plane.
Studying in 8th class today, I am prepared a simple electric circuit. Materials required: battery, light, LED light, copper wire, pins. When we put pins together, light will glow. It is good conductor of electricity. When we put cap together, light will not glow. Why it cause? It is bad conductor of electricity. Thank you.
Today I am telling simping electricity. Material required: battery, copper wire, pins and 2 pins, drawing pins, pin and light to light, and put the pin to the it will grow. Why it is the good conductivity? When you put the gravity, it will glow. Why it is grow? Why it is the good conductivity? Thank you, sir.
Class 8. Today my topic is reflection of light by plane surfaces. The bouncing back of light from a plane surface is called reflection. When light gets reflected from a plane surface, the angle of reflection is equal to angle of incidence. Incident ray, the normal ray and reflection ray lie on same plane.
Topic is reflection of light by a same plane surface. The reflection, the bouncing back of light from a surface is called reflection. When the light gets reflected from a surface, the incident ray is equal to the reflected ray. The reflected ray is equal to incident ray. Angle I is equals to angle R. When the reflected ray, the normal ray are at the same point, the reflected ray lie between at the same point. Thank you.
I am studying in 8th class. Today I am telling about reflection of light by plane surface. The bouncing back of light on a plane surface is called reflection of light. When a light gets reflected on a plane surface, the angle of reflection is equal to angle of incident. The incident ray and the normal ray the point of incidence lie on the same plane. Thank you.
My name is Akhil. I am studying in 8th class. Today I am telling a reflection of light by plane surface. What is a reflection? The bouncing back of light from a surface is
I am from 8th class. Today I am telling about reflection of light by a plane surface. The bouncing back of light on a plane surface is called reflection. When the light gets reflected, the reflected ray is equal to incident ray is equal to reflected ray. The incident ray and the normal ray at the point of incidence, they lie at the plane surface. Thank you.
I am Iramavu from class 8. Today physics activity reflection of light by plane surface. What is reflection? The bouncing back of plane surface is called reflection. Incident, when the light reflected by plane surface, incident ray is equal to reflected ray, means angle I is equal to angle R. Incident ray, normal ray and reflected ray lie on the same plane. Thank you.
I am studying in 8th class. Physics activity, simple electric circuit. Material required: battery, copper wires, bulb, 2 pins, 1 safety pin. Now we connect negative terminal and positive terminal to the battery and bulb and 2 pins. Now connect pin to the another pin. Bulb is glowing. Instead of pin, take chalk piece. Chalk piece doesn't glow the electricity. Due to this, we are knowing that chalk piece is bad conductor of electricity. Thank you.